Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Looking for the perfect travel companion? In this roundup, we highlight the top 5 best wheeled duffel bag carry-on for 2025, designed for convenience, durability, and effortless mobility. Whether you're a frequent flyer, weekend adventurer, or business traveler, these rolling duffel bags combine lightweight design, spacious compartments, and smooth wheels for hassle-free trips. From compact carry-ons to versatile travel duffels, each pick is crafted to meet airline requirements and keep your belongings organized. Find out which wheeled duffel bag suits your travel style best in 2025. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Osprey Daylite Carry-On Wheeled Duffel. The Osprey Daylite Carry-On Wheeled Duffel is a thoughtfully designed travel companion for those who want durability, convenience, and comfort in one package. Filled with lightweight yet sturdy fabrics, this bag ensures it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel without laying you down. Its standout feature is the collapsible patented spring frame, which makes it easy to store when not in use, a real space saver for those living in tight spaces. The dual functionality of this bag adds to its appeal. You can carry it as a backpack with deployable straps for comfort during long walks, or roll it smoothly with its 2-wheel system and locking push-button trolley when you need effortless mobility. The upright design with protective rails and a fabric kick plate gives the bag added durability, ensuring it stands on its own without toppling over. With dimensions of 28 inches by 15.7 by 14.2 inches and a weight of just under 7 pounds, it strikes an excellent balance between size and portability. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a longer journey, this duffel delivers convenience, practicality, and the trusted quality Osprey is known for, making it a reliable choice for modern travelers. Number 2. The North Face Rolling Thunder 22-inch. The North Face Rolling Thunder 22-inch is a rugged, versatile carry-on designed for frequent travelers who want both durability and organization in their luggage. Constructed from the brand's recycled base camp fabric, it offers impressive resilience against rough handling while remaining lightweight and easy to manage. A durable water-repellent finish ensures your belongings are protected even in unpredictable weather, making it a solid choice for outdoor adventures as well as urban trips. External lockable zippers with ergonomic pulls add both security and convenience. Additional travel-ready touches like the Sherpa strap, which allows you to carry another bag securely, make it especially useful for those juggling multiple pieces of luggage. Measuring 22 inches by 15.7 inches by 10.2 inches and weighing just over 8 pounds, it's compact enough for overhead bins, yet spacious enough to hold 40 liters of gear. With its rugged build, smart design, and long-lasting performance, the Rolling Thunder proves to be a dependable carry-on for years of adventures. Number 3. The Thule Subterra 2-wheeled duffel. The Thule Subterra 2-wheeled duffel offers a smart, streamlined approach to travel, blending durability with practical organization. With a spacious interior, it makes packing effortless while giving you the flexibility to separate items using its stowable interior mesh divider panel. This feature is perfect for travelers who like to keep clean and dirty clothes apart or organize gear more efficiently. The compression strap system inside secures your items in place, while exterior straps reduce the bulk for a tighter, more compact fit. Additionally, the magnetic side handles make it easy to grab and carry quickly when needed. With its practical design and emphasis on durability, the Thule Subterra is not just a duffel, but a dependable partner for organized, stress-free travel. Ideal for business trips or extended getaways, this bag delivers the performance and functionality expected from a premium travel brand like Thule.
Number 4. High Sierra Fairlead Wheeled Duffle Backpack. The High Sierra Fairlead Wheeled Duffle Backpack stands out as a highly versatile option for travelers who want both convenience and adaptability. This convertible design transitions seamlessly from a wheeled duffel to a backpack thanks to its quick-release shoulder straps that can be stowed away when not in use. Perfect for weekend trips, gym visits, or extended getaways, it adapts to whatever your travel needs demand. The ability to switch between backpack and duffel mode makes this bag ideal for travelers who need flexibility in different environments. Whether navigating airports, hopping on trains, or walking through crowded streets, the Fairlead delivers comfort, protection, and durability. High Sierra has crafted a bag that combines practicality and versatility, making it an excellent choice for modern travel lifestyles.
Number 5. Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel. The Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel is a practical and budget-friendly travel companion that combines style, durability, and spacious storage. Officially branded and known for quality, Wrangler ensures this duffel meets the demands of both casual travelers and frequent flyers. With its check-in friendly 30-inch size, it provides ample room for clothing, shoes, and essentials, making it ideal for longer trips. Stylish enough to complement your travel gear while durable enough to withstand repeated journeys, the Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel offers excellent value and reliability. For those looking for a spacious, travel-ready bag at an affordable price, this rolling duffel is a dependable and well-rounded choice. These 5 wheeled duffels bring together durability, organization, and versatility to suit every type of traveler. From rugged outdoor adventures to smooth airport transitions, each bag offers unique strengths in design, storage, and mobility. Whether you need compact convenience, convertible versatility, or maximum packing space, these options deliver reliable performance, making travel simpler, smarter, and far more enjoyable.